Shenzhen Senlarry Packaging Company Limited was founded in 2009 with 14 years' experience in paper packaging industrial. We are focusing on providing packaging solutions with innovative and affordable packaging solutions for clients who pay attention to quality control, creativity, as well as differentiation. Senlarry provides one-stop service from structure design, sample making to massive production, and we do whole manufacturing processes from printing, lamination, UV, hot stamping, die cutting to final completed products. Our manufacturing control is based on safety and reliability, energy saving and environmental protection, consumer experience. We devoted into develop medium and high-end packaging boxes with the support of our domestic customers, 30%, plus overseas, 70%, North America, Europe, and Australia. Over the years of inherited production process, advanced machines, talented accumulation, quality supply chain, and quality software management system. This is how we make the product quality more stable. Senlarry is certificated by FSC, SGS, ISO 9001, Disney, and Concerned Patent. We have worked with renowned brands like Elemis, Dove, Judy Doll, RXR, Yafani, Into You. We believe that a well-designed packaging box can make all the difference in attracting attention, generating interest, and ultimately driving sales. Contact us today to discuss your packaging requirements and let us help you elevate your brand, increase brand recognition, and boost sales with our custom paper packaging boxes.